Nick Canzano here at Western Connecticut State University. I'm the Assistant Dean of Students, and we just had Rob come Rob presented on Gambling is Not Magic to a lot of our student athletes who were very engaged, had a great time, really learned the message, especially now, March being Gambling Prevention Month. Really understanding the ins and outs of how they try and manipulate 18 to 29-year-olds, college students to get involved and invest their money into especially the apps. Rob did a great job of connecting with the students, getting them up on stage, and the laughs that we got during the hypnosis, having the students sleep, was just fantastic. Students had a great time, and we would really highly recommend Rob to do this presentation at your institution or wherever.
Ben bu da anlıyorum. Belki de ilerleyen business strategy,